all of you a very healthy, happy and prosperous 2022. Thanks to the central banks pushing in a lot of liquidity after March 2020, we've seen a good rally in all markets starting March 2020, which has resulted in elevated valuations of both equity, debt and all markets across the world. So going into 2022, the best way to invest structurally for many years appears to be asset allocation. The other structural trend which has emerged across the world is passive investing, which involves investing in equity indices and ETFs. The best way to do asset allocation is by investing across asset classes in equities, both local and global, gold and debt. So given two structural trends of asset allocation and passive investing, we are glad to launch a product, ICICI Prudential Passive Multi-Asset Fund of Fund. This product invests in debt ETFs, equity ETFs focused on domestic indices and ETFs, and global ETFs along with gold ETFs. Domestically, it can invest in large cap, mid cap indices and ETFs, as well as sector ETFs and thematic ETFs. Similarly, in the global side, it can invest in country ETFs, it can invest in select global ETFs and also in some thematic and a few factor ETFs. So you get a wide variety of ETFs and indices to invest in. Given that global central banks are likely to pull out liquidity and increase interest rates over the next few years, the kind of sectors and the kind of asset classes that this product can invest in gives us an opportunity to participate in a wide variety of asset classes, and therefore gives the investor an opportunity to participate in all the asset classes. So this product is being launched and the fund closes on 10 January 2022. The NFO closes on that day, and we think that this is an interesting way to participate in two structural trends, asset allocation and passive investing. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.